Okay, welcome back once again to all my dear students. Last time we had discussed about the equilibrium constant, that is the Kc as well as the Kp. What is the forward reaction, what is the reverse reaction. Then we had also discussed about the equilibrium state. When it reaches the equilibrium, then the forward and the reverse reaction will becomes equal. Means the amount of the product converted into the reactant at the same time, same amount of the reactant will be converted into the product, right? Now today we are going to discuss about the relationship between the Kc and Kp as well as the some example related to that, right? So let us start first of all the relation between Kc and Kp, right? Now let us see. First of all, you all know that let us suppose if the gaseous reaction is there, just like AA, then BB, it will gives CC plus DD. Is it clear? Right? Now if I want to write down this constant, then Kp equals to what? So I can write down here PCC PDD upon PAA and PBB. Is it clear? Now according to the ideal gas equation, you all know that according to ideal gas equation, what is that? PV equals to nRT, PV equals to nRT. Okay. Now I can write down here P equals to N upon V and RT. Now N upon V, that is moles upon liter. So you all know that concentration that is C equals to mole per liter. So I can write down M upon mole means N upon V. Is it clear? So put the value P equals to CRT. Why? Because C equals to N upon V. Okay. Now write down this in the Kp. So Kp equals to, I can write down CC RT raised to C and CD RT raised to D upon CART raised to A and CBRT raised to B. Understand? So this can be written as Kp equals to CCC CDD upon CAA and CBB into RT raised to C plus D upon RT raised to A plus D. So this can be written as what? How? So I can write down here Kp equals to Kc into RT raised to C plus D minus A plus D. Right? Now what is C plus D? That you all know that delta Ng, that is equals to moles, gaseous moles of product minus gaseous moles of reactant. So I can write down here C plus D minus A plus B. So this reaction can be written as Kp equals to Kc into RT raised to delta Ng. Is it clear? So this is all about the relationship between the Kc and Kp. Now let us suppose if delta Ng equals to 0, then we can say Kp equals to Kc. अगर delta Ng 0 है तो Kp क्या होगा? Both are equal. Second one, that if delta Ng that is greater than 0 तो क्या होगा? Kp is also greater than Kc. And if third one, if delta Ng less than 0, then Kp is also less than what? Kc. Understand? So all these things, three things you have to know. And what is the SI unit of pressure? That is a Pascal. Understand? So you have to know that 1 atmosphere, that is equals to 10 raised to 5 what? Pascal. Okay, this conversion you have to know. So note down first of all, and then after we are going to discuss some example related to this. चलो अब एग्जांपल देखते हैं। Let us see the examples. Number 1, let us suppose 1 mole H2O, 1 mole H2O and 1 mole what CO are heated in cold closed vessel. CO are heated in closed vessel if of 10 liter at 725 Kelvin temperature, right? At equilibrium H2O at equilibrium H2O 40% by mass react with 40% by mass react with CO gas as follows. CO gas as follows. चलो देखते हैं क्या रिएक्शन है। H2O gas react with the carbon monoxide gas. It will gives what? H2 plus CO2 gas. H2 gas plus CO2 gas. Now you have to calculate the Kc and Kp. Calculate Kc and Kp. That is the equilibrium constant, right? तो पहले तो हम ये रिएक्शन है, ये रिएक्शन, राइट? तो यहां पे सॉल्यूशन में लिखता हूं कि एट इनिशियल concentration means initial concentration, it will be in the form of mole liter inverse, right? चलो इसका concentration पहले तो प्रोडक्ट क्या होगी 0, तो इसका concentration कौन सा दिया हुआ है 1 mole of 10 liter, so I can write down 1 upon 10. Why? Because concentration that is a mole per liter, right? Now at equilibrium at equilibrium the concentration will be what? तो यहाँ पे 40% बाय मास, तो यहाँ पे 40% इंक्रीज होगा तो 40 डिवाइड बाय 100, सो यहाँ पे भी 40 डिवाइड बाय 100, एक ही मोल है, राइट? सो आई कैन राइट डाउन हियर 60 डिवाइड बाय 100 एंड हियर आल्सो 60 डिवाइड बाय 100. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द 10 लीटर, राइट? 10 लीटर है इसका वॉल्यूम, ओके, और एक ही मोल है, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 0.6, यहाँ पे 0.6, यहाँ पे 0.4 एंड 0.4, बट इट इज नॉट यूनिट, इज अ मोल पर लीटर, बट इट इज अ मोल पर 10 लीटर. अब मोल पर लीटर लिखना है तो मुझे क्या आएगा यहाँ पे 0.06, ये मोल पर लीटर, यहाँ पे भी 0.06, ये भी 0.04 एंड दिस इज आल्सो 0.04. now if I want to write down the Kc, then what is Kc? So Kc is equals to concentration of product, that is a H2 then CO2 upon what? Concentration H2O and CO. Is it clear? So multiply it 0.04 and 0.04 divide by 0.06 into 0.06. ये कैलकुलेट करो. Okay, so here you can get 0.44 and there is a no unit. Okay, now if I want to write down Kp, now you all know the relation between the Kc and Kp. So Kp equals to Kc into RT raised to delta Ng. पहले तो delta Ng find out करो. Delta Ng means क्या? मोल्स, टोटल मोल्स 1 plus 1, गैसियस है तो 1 plus 1 माइनस ये भी गैसियस है तो 1 plus 1. Is it clear? Moles of product minus moles of reactant. So यहाँ पे 2 minus 2, so that is equals to 0. So I can write down here delta Ng equals to 0. तो कोई भी डिजिट का पावर 0 है तो आंसर 1 आएगा. तो यहाँ पे मैं लिख सकता हूँ कि Kp equals to Kc into RT raised to 0. So Kp equals to Kc. So I can write down Kp that is equals to what? 0.44. Is it clear? Right? So this is how you have to calculate the Kc and Kp. Note down कर लो चलो पहले. चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखते हैं। Okay, example next. Second, the equilibrium constant of the reaction. चलो, the equilibrium constant of a reaction, that is a H2 gas plus I2 gas gives twice HI gas at a 700 Kelvin temperature. At 700 Kelvin temperature is 54.8 is 54.8. Equilibrium constant दिया हुआ है. The concentration of HI at equilibrium is, the concentration of HI at equilibrium is how much? 0.5 mole liter inverse, right? Suppose the reaction is carried out, then we can say that you have to find out H2 and I2. That calculate the concentration of H2 and I2. H2 और I2 का concentration मुझे find out करना है. चलो try करो एक बार. Hello. Okay, so here it will be given, see, that the equilibrium constant of the reaction H2 plus I2 gives twice HI, right? At 700 Kelvin temperature, the equilibrium constant will be given 54.8. The concentration of HI at the equilibrium is this much, so you have to calculate the concentration of H2 and I2. Now first of all, I can write down the reaction, that H2 gas plus I2 gas, it will gives what? Twice HI gas, right? Now see, according to this, the equilibrium constant Kc I can write down here, the concentration of HI whole square. Why? Because the coefficient is 2 upon concentration of H2 and concentration of I2. Understand? Now put the value over here. So what is Kc? I can write down 54.8 equals to, what is HI? HI, it will be given 0.5 whole square upon concentration of H2 and concentration of I2. So I can write down here the concentration of H2 into I2, that is equals to 0.5 whole square upon 54.8. Right? Now simplify this, you can get what? But at equilibrium, I can say that concentration of H2, that is equals to concentration of I2. So I can write down here that H2 square, that is equals to 0.5. So simplification, 4.56 into 10 raised to minus 3. 56 into 10 raised to minus 3. So this is a standard form, right? Now concentration of H2, that is equals to concentration of I2, and that is equals to what? Under root how much? So I can write down here 0.456 into 10 raised to minus 2, right? Now put the value, you can get what? That concentration of H2 equals to concentration of I2, that is equals to under root. So under root handle karo, so it will be 0.675 into 10 raised to minus 1, so 0.0675. What is the unit? Mole per liter. Understand? So this is how you can find out the concentration of H2 and I2, right? Chalo note down kar lo. चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखते हैं। ओके, अगर द इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट फॉर द रिएक्शन equilibrium constant for the reaction H2 gas plus I2 gas, it will give twice HI gas at 270 or at 731 Kelvin. Temperature is 46.4. Understand? Now calculate the equilibrium constant of the following temperature. Calculate the equilibrium constant of following reaction at same temperature, right? Temperature will be same. Reaction, if I write down here, twice H2 gas plus twice I2 gas, it will gives 4 mole HI gas. See here, double, right? Now first thing that you have to know that what is the equilibrium constant. पहले तो मुझे मालूम है कि यहाँ पे देखो H2 gas, when it is a react with the I2 gas, then you can get what? Twice HI. Understand? तो अगर मुझे इसका इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट लिखना है तो कैसे लिख सकता हूं? आई कैन राइट डाउन हियर दैट Kc इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच? 46.4, राइट? इट विल बी गिवन. अगर नाउ फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 आई कैन से दैट ट्वाइस HI, यहां पे क्या दिया हुआ है? ट्वाइस H2 गैस प्लस ट्वाइस I2 गैस, इट विल गिव्स व्हाट? 4 HI गैस. अंडरस्टैंड? तो इसका मुझे इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट फाइंड आउट करना है. तो whenever I am going to find out the equilibrium constant, मुझे मालूम तो है कि इसको मुझे लिखना है ना, तो Kc डैश, अगर मैं डैश लिखता हूं तो यहां पे क्या आएगा? तो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ HI होल रेज टू 4 अपॉन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ H2 एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ I2 होल स्क्वायर. अंडरस्टैंड? तो दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी रिटन एज, इसको मैं ऐसा भी लिख सकता हूं ना कि कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ HI का स्क्वायर है अपॉन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ H2, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ I2 का यहां पे होल स्क्वायर. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज Kc का स्क्वायर. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? नाउ यू ऑल नो दैट व्हाट इज Kc. दैट व्हाट इज Kc? आई कैन राइट डाउन हियर दैट Kc डैश इक्वल्स टू, Kc का क्या हुआ? स्क्वायर. तो यहां पे स्क्वायर हुआ तो 46.4 का क्या होगा? स्क्वायर. तो व्हाटएवर यू कैन गेट, दैट इज योर आंसर. दैट इज 2152.96. This is called Kc dash. So this is how you can calculate the equilibrium constant. Understand? चलो नोट डाउन कर लो. चलो ऐसे ही नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखते हैं कि कैलकुलेट, यहाँ पे इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट ऑफ दिस विल बी गिवन जस्ट लाइक 46.4. एंड यहाँ पे अगर मैं इस रिएक्शन को चेंज करता हूं, देखो यहाँ पे मैं इंस्टेड ऑफ 2 आई कैन राइट डाउन हियर 1/2. चलो मैं यहाँ पे 1/2 लिखता हूं, यहाँ पे भी 1/2 लिखता हूं, और वहां पे क्या आएगा? HI, राइट? एंड नाउ इफ आई वांट टू फाइंड आउट, देन यू ऑल नो दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल H2 गैस प्लस I2 गैस, राइट? एंड इट विल गिव्स व्हाट? ट्वाइस HI गैस. और इसके लिए Kc क्या है? 46.4, right? Now if I want to write down this reaction, then 1/2 H2 plus 1/2 I2, that will gives what? HI gas, right? अगर इसके लिए मैं Kc डैश लिखता हूं तो क्या आएगा? तो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ HI अपॉन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ H2 होल रेज टू 1/2 एंड I2 रेज टू 1/2. अंडरस्टैंड? और यहां पे मैं ऐसा भी लिख सकता हूं कि कॉन्सेंट्रेशन HI जो है का स्क्वायर आया, और यहां पे H2 और I2, इसके ऊपर क्या आएगा 1/2. So I can write down here Kc equals to, sorry, Kc dash is equals to Kc raised to 1/2. Understand? So I can write down here Kc dash equals to 46.4 raised to 1/2. Understand? So put the log and you can get the answer. Okay. So it will be 6 point whatever you can get, 6.814. So this is Kc dash. So this is how you can find out what the equilibrium constant of any other reaction. Okay. So it will be easy for you. चलो note down कर लो. चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखते हैं. ये तो इजी हो गया आप, राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, लेट अस सी. अगर एन इक्विलिब्रियम, at equilibrium the concentration of, next fourth one, at equilibrium the concentration of N2 का है 3.0 into 10 raised to somewhat minus 3 molar. Then concentration of O2, it will be given that 4.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 molar, and then it will be given NO 2.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 molar. Understand? And the reaction will be given. You have to find out the Kc. Let us suppose the reaction is just like a N2 gas plus O2 gas. It will gives what? Twice NO gas. Understand? This reaction will be given and you have to find out what? Kc. Now you all know that what is Kc. So Kc equals to concentration of NO whole square upon concentration of N2 and concentration of O2. Put the value, you can get the answer. यहाँ पे वैल्यू रख दो कि 2.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 डिवाइड बाई N2 का concentration क्या है 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 और इसका क्या आएगा, इसका स्क्वायर. अंडरस्टैंड? सो पुट द वैल्यू एंड यू कैन फाइंड आउट द आंसर. ओके, चलो नोट डाउन कर लो. Okay, chalo. Now next one, see here, next example it will be given just like यहाँ पे अगर next example दिया हुआ है PCl5 then PCl3 and Cl2 at equilibrium constant and Cl2 at equilibrium constant, right, at 500 Kelvin temperature, at 500 Kelvin temperature and having concentration and having what? Concentration 1.59 molar, right? PCl3, this is all about the, यहाँ पे Cl2 at the equilibrium constant का concentration इतना है, PCl of PCl3, then we can say 1.59 molar of Cl2, right? And 1.41 molar and 1.41 molar, that is PCl5. Understand, right? Calculate the Kc. Calculate Kc. Kc, that is the, you all know that equilibrium constant. Now the reaction, how the reaction can be written as? First of all, I can write on PCl5. That will gives what? PCl3 plus Cl2. Understand? तो यहाँ पे at equilibrium concentration will be given that इसका concentration कौन सा है? PCl5 का 1.41 मोलर, इसका 1.59 मोलर और इसका 1.59 मोलर. Understand? Both are same. Is it clear? Now see here that Kc, what is Kc equals to? Concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. So you all know that PCl3 into Cl2 upon PCl5. Understand? Now यहाँ पे लिख दो कि 1.59 into 1.59 divide by 1.41. Calculate करो, इसका आंसर आएगा and the unit will be here 1.79 molar. क्यों? मोल पर लीटर, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मोल पर लीटर, मोल पर लीटर, मोल पर लीटर, एक उड़ जाएगा तो यूनिट आएगा मोलर. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द Kc. नाउ if you want to find out that Kp, then let us suppose अगर इसका रिवर्स रिएक्शन मुझे कैलकुलेट करना है तो क्या आएगा? इसका रिवर्स मींस व्हाट? दिस गिव्स दिस. अंडरस्टैंड? सो द रिवर्स रिएक्शन अगर मुझे कैलकुलेट करना है तो PCl3 plus Cl2 it will gives what? PCl5. चलो रिवर्स रिएक्शन कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो मैं ऐसा लिख सकता हूं कि Kc dash equals to 1 upon Kc. Understand? Is it clear? So I can write on here 1 upon 1.79. So whatever you can get, that is your answer. So that is a 0.5577 molar inverse. Understand? So this is all about the reverse reaction. Now if you want to calculate the Kp, right, then how you can calculate the Kp? The Kp and Kc, what is the relation? Kp equals to Kc into RT raised to delta Ng. Now see, for this reaction if I write on delta Ng, then it is 1, right? So I can write on here temperature will be given. Temperature how much? 500 Kelvin. Gas constant R, that is 8.314 into 10 raised to minus 2, right? And put the value of Kc. Kc का वैल्यू कितना है? 1.79 into bracket. चलो delta Ng find out करो. Delta Ng that is equals to 2 plus 2 minus 1. So that is equals to 1. यहाँ पे देखो 1 plus 1 and minus 1. Understand? 2 minus 1. R कितना है? 8.314 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 500 raised to 1. Understand? So calculate this, you can get the Kp. And the unit of the Kp, it will be bar. Understand? So this is how you can calculate the Kc as well as the Kp, right? So in this video, up to here, it's enough. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the homogeneous as well as the heterogeneous equilibrium. Understand? Up to here, it's enough. Thank you very much.